This is Kathy and Sparky. This is Rodney and his best friend John. Kathy and Rodney don't know each other, but they certainly agree that getting dental implants was one of the smartest decisions they ever made. Kathy lost several of her teeth in a biking accident a few years back. After that, life just wasn't the same. She was reluctant to smile, struggled to chew some of her favorite foods, and sometimes was even self-conscious about talking. Kathy tried a tooth-supported bridge, but knew it would need to be replaced eventually and really wished for a more permanent solution. Over time, Rodney lost so many of his teeth to periodontal disease that he eventually wore removable dentures, very unhappily. His dentures slipped and clicked when he ate and made it difficult for him to pronounce certain words. His gums were often sore. It got harder and harder for John to convince him to go out for their weekly meals at their favorite diner. And Rodney really hated taking his dentures out every night to clean them. Finally, Rodney and Kathy both reached the tipping point. For Kathy, it was when her daughter got engaged. No way were her teeth going to stop her from smiling ear to ear in all those wedding photos. Rodney's tipping point came when he saw the mouth-watering steak and corn on the cob John ordered one night, a meal he loved but could no longer eat. He decided he was sick and tired of not enjoying food, and friends, and life. Both Kathy and Rodney had heard about dental implants, but just assumed they were too expensive. Also, Rodney worried that getting several implants would hurt, big time. They each decided to do some more research. They were pleasantly surprised and very impressed by what they learned. For example, they discovered that dental implants are the standard of care for missing teeth. They're the closest you can get to healthy, natural teeth. That's because dental implants bond with natural bone, becoming a sturdy base for new artificial teeth. Properly placed and cared for implants can last a lifetime, making them cost competitive with other tooth replacement options over the long term. Rodney was thrilled to find out that most patients experience less discomfort than they expect and typically manage any pain with over-the-counter medications. But most importantly, Kathy and Rodney learned that the dentist you choose to perform your dental implant surgery matters a lot. That's because dental implants are complex devices that require specialized training and expertise to fit and place properly. Kathy and Rodney both wanted to work with a dental implant expert they could trust, a dentist credentialed by AAID, the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. AAID credentialed implant dentists have to invest hundreds of hours of implant-focused training above and beyond their initial dental education. They also have to pass in-depth exams demonstrating their implant knowledge and skill. Kathy used the free Dentist Finder tool on AAID's website to confirm that the dentist her friend referred her to was AAID credentialed. Rodney used the same tool to locate a dental implant expert with an office near him. The AAID credentialed dentists were happy to meet with Kathy and Rodney to talk about treatment options, share success stories, and answer all their questions. After the dentists evaluated their needs and created personalized treatment plans, they even helped Kathy and Rodney work out affordable financing plans for the costs not covered by their insurance. Kathy had the time of her life at her daughter's wedding. She now smiles, eats, laughs, talks, and yes, rides her bike without worrying about her teeth. And Rodney? He feels like he's got a new lease on life. He's trying hard to convince John that they should go out to eat at least twice a week, and maybe even try some new restaurants. Live life the way you want to.